Yo, Eric D checking in with you. Just trying to give you a little sneak peek of my all-American build. You know what I'm saying? Baja, Doodle. Come along cool. Just got the 212 in it. Predator Hemi. Stage 1 kit on it. You know what I'm saying? Red, white, and blue theme. Looking slick. Came out nice. You know what I'm saying? So cut the handlebars too, you know, had to do that, chop that, put some risers on there, got me some new disc brakes, you know, I need that. I want to put some disc brakes on the front too, you know what I'm saying, you don't see that around here like that, so I'm trying to work on that too. But you know what I'm saying, like I said, I chopped the handlebars, getting ready to put them ape hangers on it too. She coming along, you know what I'm saying. Won't be long now, have her on the road. How we doing it right now. So, you know what I'm saying? Keep on chugging. You know what I'm saying? Looking like a superhero right now. Yeah.